Italian breakfast sandwiches. I love these fluffy eggs filled with some pepperoni, provolone cheese, Genoa salami, loaded on a buttery toasted everything bagel, a little salted tomatoes and some butter lettuce, and of course a little Duke's mayo. You guys are gonna love this breakfast sandwich. Let me show you how to make it at home on your Blackstone. These breakfast sandwiches are so simple. We'll start off with a large mixing bowl, adding in about 5 eggs for 2 sandwiches because I like a really loaded breakfast sandwich to start the day. We'll add a little bit of heavy whipping cream, about a tablespoon per egg. Whisk these together and slide them aside. I've got 1 tomato. We'll slice this up, slide that aside too, then move on to our everything bagels. I'm gonna make 2 sandwiches, one for me, one for Ethan. Cut these in half and get them down on to our hot griddle in a little butter to toast up. Now on the opposite side of my griddle, we're on low heat so that our eggs cook nice and gently. We'll swirl down a little bit of butter, dropping down half of our scrambled eggs, then quickly move in with a little pepperoni, some of our provolone cheese and our Genoa salami. A little extra cheese doesn't hurt. Then we'll fold these on every side to kind of create either a circle or a square, anything to fit onto our bagels. Our bagels are looking good. Time to pull these off. Back to our eggs, we'll give these a flip, let them finish cooking, then pull these off, get them onto our bagels, and move on to our second sandwich. Eggs down again, our pepperoni, our provolone, our Genoa salami, another fold, give it a flip. If it breaks, it's okay. It's going right onto our bagel. On our other side of our bagel, we're gonna smear on my favorite Duke's mayo, a couple slices of our tomato, and tomatoes of course love salt and pepper, so a little sprinkle over each, a piece of butter lettuce for a little crispy crunch, and a pop of color. Then sandwich these together. These are overloaded Italian breakfast sandwiches, just the way I like them. We'll slice these in half, a little post dust of our Lumber Jack seasoning, and these are ready to dive into. Now it's got everything I love, all the Italian meats, a little provolone cheese, and of course, garden fresh tomatoes, my favorite in the summer. I know you guys are gonna love this one. Make it at home, post a picture for me because you guys know I love seeing you guys eating all the things I love eating. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to see you for another family style favorite in my next video.